Hi viewers, Samarnath Small Steps Trader channel. So today Nifty made a again all-time high record break. So before that we will see today's tidbit and go to the video. The goal of a good trader is not to make money. His goal is to trade well. If he trades right, money follows. An important message this is. So many traders will come to the market and take every trade with the money minded. It has to that is a very wrong approach. How well the trade should be. So a trader has to focus on that. So if he focuses that, money automatically follows. That's what the author says. Now we go to the video. Disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So whatever I am speaking here are my views for learning purpose. You always do your own study analysis and take your own decision that lead you to a good trader or investor in long term. Go to the video. So the massive awesome performance by Nifty, 134 point plus, ended at 20,267, record break, all-time high, new all-time high. So the detail we will see in the chart. So before that, the left side I given top gainers and losers. Have a pause of the video and have a look. So we straight away go to the market statistics. So today 2206 stocks traded. In that 1437 stock ended positively, 1061 stock ended negatively, 108 stock prices unchanged. 93 stocks touched the upper circuit limit, 47 stocks touched the lower circuit limit. So this 93 upper circuit limit is one of the good number we can say. Similarly, if you see the 52-week high, 219 stock touched the 52-week high, only 10 stock touched the 52-week low. Massive double century. Superb ratio. So even since couple of session I keep on saying that this is very strong and this is keep on increasing. This give the optimism. So this is one of the important thing, very good ratio. Now we will see who is performer today, who is the top two supporter to the Nifty in the record high. You can see that ITC 26.96 point positive contribution and LT 20.67 positive contribution. So along with this Nifty's all-time high, this also recorded the supporting stocks. So the negative side, HDFC Bank minus 11.04 and M&M minus 4.274. So HDFC Bank didn't support much. If this would have if this would have ended positively, definitely our Nifty would close 20,300 and above. So unfortunately, HDFC not participated in the historical Nifty high. So next FIA data. So until recording this video, the data doesn't come. Anyway, month-wise previous data I have given for your reference. Have a glance and look. Now we will go to the chart. So Nifty, the previous close 20,133, and the opening 20,194. So almost 60 point gap up, and from there still got progress in the positive side. So it got saturated until 11:30 on the market is until in the sideways. Till then it was a very good rally. So there is no sign of reversion, we can say. So very good massive performance, ended at 134 point positively at 20,267. Similarly, we will see the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty previous close 44,481, opening 44,580. So almost 100 point gap up, and from that it's completely progressed in the upper side. Almost similar price pattern of Nifty. If you see from here, just in 100 points, the entire day it has traveled. But anyway, at the end of the day, if you see, ended at 332 point positively at 44,814. So now we will see the day chart, how the trend is and what is the upcoming moves and all. So if you see the Nifty, the all-time high. So now that previous all-time high until yesterday is the previous all-time high, 20,222 will act as a immediate support. Then the psychological support and the strong support lies at 20,000. If that breaks, 19,850 would be the very strong support. If that breaks, we can expect the downturn. So until then, still Nifty has the guts to go for another all-time high. And if you see the Bank Nifty, so the 45,000 is the strong resistance. Today it touched almost close to that. We can say 44,951. So just 50 points is away. So tomorrow, if you give the similar performance, it will crosses that. And if it crosses 45,000 and give you closure, there are a lot of probability the Nifty, the immediate target 20,400, that will touch in the next session, that we can expect. So in the downside support, we can see it is 44,000 will act as a downside support, the first level support. The second level support would be 43,000. So this is about Bank Nifty. So we cannot judge the market entirely based on the large cap. So we have to consider mid and micro cap indexes as well. So with that sense, if you see the mid and mid and small cap 400 index, today it ended 115 point positively. Very good performance. And if you see the new record high, and so the upper side, there is no limit and there is no resistance, we can say, because it's keep on making the all-time high. So if the downside support, if you see the 14,800 will be the immediate support. If that breaks, the next higher massive support would be 14,400. So this is the mid and small 400. Still there is no negative sign here. So it clearly shows that still it supports the Nifty to go positively morally. Because why I am saying morally, because it's not participating in the Nifty, but this gives us strong support. And if you see the micro cap index, almost flat, but minus 1.55 points. So though it's not a big number, but we have to consider this also, because we cannot omit micro cap. So we have to be cautious. So if the next support, if you see the this level, we can say the next level support 17,550 will be the next support. If that breaks, 17,000 will be the second level support. If that breaks, we can expect even Nifty also falls. So this is about our market. Why the reason these two indexes is important, though it is not participating in the Nifty, because Nifty only purely based on the few large cap stocks, but this performance and all many stocks involved in that. So this is give the clear picture of the market. So that's the reason I am saying these two indexes is important. So it's moral support to the Nifty. Now we will see our big brother US market. So yesterday Dow closed 520 point positively, 1.47%. Though it gave a very big optimism and happiness. If you see the S&P 500, it is just 17.38%. So there is a huge gap. So we cannot happy with this kind of move, because the only heavyweights will supported this. And similarly, if you see the Nasdaq, it is just it negatively minus 32 point negative closure. So this is the huge gap. So we cannot happy with this, but let me see how the subsequent session happens. And if you see today the UK and the Euro market, all are positive and all are almost above 0.5%. So 0.5% is a decently very good upper side movement. So we will see at the end of the session whether it is retains or go further upper side or go down. That we will see at the end of the day. Now we'll see the chart. So Dow chart. So it shows very good optimism and the momentum gain, and it touched the overbought zone. RSI clearly overbought zone, it has touched it. So we have to be very cautious here, because anytime we can expect the mean reversion pullback. So that have to happen. So with that sense, at least 35,000 it definitely there is possibility to touch. So 1,000 points it may come down. That when it starts to come down, we have to wait and see. Similarly, if you see the S&P 500, a couple of session on, it is saturated. There is no momentum. So it looks like it preparing for the pullback or mean reversion. Let me see how subsequent days. I hope this video will be very useful to you and informative. Please do subscribe, like and share with your friends. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.